You got my last banana.
What's it like to work with elephants? To spend every day with them? To not only know their names and histories, but to know their favorite scratching spots too. So, what's it really like to be a volunteer at EMP? Well, it's a little bit of hard work. And a whole lot of fun.
How do you feel about this job?
Wait, they're gonna smell too.
Really?
Really?
Yeah.
I love you.
Okay.
I got a little wet. A little.
Bath time is every volunteer's favorite chore. With all of the chaos and fun, it's hard to believe that these were some of the most abused elephants in Southeast Asia. Each elephant at the park was rescued by founder Lex Scheller and brought to EMP to live out the rest of their lives in freedom. Volunteers make all the difference, and your volunteer fee goes directly back into the park. Bath time is the perfect time to have a little fun, and to start bonding with the elephants too. Each elephant at the park has their own individual story and personality, certain likes and dislikes that you'll learn during your time at the park. You'll also learn some of their more quirky personality traits. Bath time is also time to snap that photo. And to make a new friend or two. The elephants love it. And the humans do too. So what? This doesn't all seem fun enough for you? Well, what about this? Does this seem fun enough for you? Now that's a good scratch. Other fun daytime activities for volunteers include tubing, watching nature documentaries, watching dogs jump at nature documentaries. Speaking of dogs, downtime during the day is the perfect excuse to go spend some time with the dogs of EMP. The park is home to over 400 rescue dogs, and they love the attention.
Elephants are getting ready for bed, and we're going to orientation.
Elephant Nature Park provides entertainment almost every night of your stay. Nightly entertainment includes all activities are taught by locals and have a very authentic and genuine feel. Our first night at the park, we were blessed in a traditional Thai ceremony and given bands of string for good luck and prosperity.
Never taking these off.
Every night at EMP is as different as the days. The nightly entertainment is a fantastic introduction to Thai life and culture. And of course, you'll always get sunrise over the jungle, a view for lunch in the afternoon, and snack time for elephants by the gazebo. So what's it really like volunteering at EMP? Why don't you come see for yourself?